How to fix Roblox Game Client is not responding. Now I'm going to be giving you out three specific troubleshooting steps, which are the most convenient or the most easiest one among them. Now first is just simply close your Roblox player or Roblox client, and to make sure that not Roblox player is running, go into your task manager, and then under processes, make sure that none of Roblox here is currently running. If it is, just simply click in it and then hit on end task. First is go into your search box and then type in run, and then type in again percentage local app data percentage and then hit on OK. Then from here, just simply delete your Roblox folder, and don't worry, this is just cache files that you have done on your Roblox application. Delete that folder, relaunch the game once again. Next is to go into your Roblox player icon, right click, go to properties, and then from here, go to compatibility. Make sure to run the Roblox player as an administrator and set as default on your operating system. Disable full screen optimization and then run this program as an administrator. Once again, hit on apply and then click on OK, and then relaunch your Roblox player again. Now, the last thing that you want to do is to go back into your search box again, type in CMD, make sure to run it as an administrator, and type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Once you hit on enter, it will clear cache from the Roblox client itself, and then afterwards you just need to restart your PC and relaunch your Roblox player. And that's it. That's how you fix Roblox Game Client is not responding.